Top 10 things that sound cool when said by Snoop Dogg. Here we go. Number one thing that sounds cool when said by Snoop Dogg.
I'm just a simple old hockey mom from Alaska. You betcha.
Number 3.
Could you please pass the rice a mother Roni?
Number 2.
My CD More Malice is available March 23rd. And if you illegally download it, I'm coming to your house.
Okay, well, and the number, you go. Number 9.
Let's go to the Gap and buy underpants.
Oh my goodness. Number 10.
Yo.
Yes.